What are we gonna work on today, Everly?
The hamper.
Yeah, are we gonna get it finished up?
Yep.
What are you having for a snack first?
Crepes.
Do you like crepes?
Every.
I'm taking my angle grinder and I'm grinding down all the joints where the square tubing comes together. So this will allow the flat bar to sit flat on the pipe, and then when the panels go in, it gives a smooth, watertight seal. So I don't know if you can quite see these. There's not really a whole lot to come off, but it's just enough so that the flat bar can sit on here smooth, and then everything will align with the outside edge of the bottom rail. So I'm not gonna bother videoing all that for you because, well, I'm sure you don't want to listen to the grinder any more than I do, but we'll get a couple shots of it and you just enjoy the music. I could be wrong, but I'm sure there's at least one person watching these videos that's wondering, hey, can I build my own truck camper in my garage? Yes, anyone can do this. Go out, have some fun. If you need a set of plans, well, I got mine here. Not quite sure I could send them to you. A couple sticky notes. The idea is in my head, put it down on paper with a few numbers and a couple scribbles. Once you start putting the pieces together, it all comes to life. So we got some shape now. There was a couple areas where we really had some questions, but everything played out well, and well, follow along, see how the rest of it goes.
These are all the little ducks that live in the pond outside of our house, just off the walking trail. I'm not sure why, but they leave in the summer and then they come stay for the winter. But they're pretty cute. There's tons of them. Everybody always walks by and feeds them. Luckily, Sadie is tiny, so we only have to shovel a small area for her. You like playing in the snow? Yeah. Oh boy, I'm excited about the snow.
Okay, you ready? It was what?
Yay, cowboy!
What color?
Green.
You got me! Everly, tell me what you're doing.
Making cookies.
What shape is your cookie?
A star.
Okay, show me how you put the icing on it. Wow!
Is that one so beautiful?
There it is.
Do you look on them?
Yeah.
Okay, you show me that one.
Ta-da!
Okay, we're gonna flip the camper on its roof. hopefully this is the only time it's ever on the roof, and we're gonna finish it up here.
Is it not true? Steve's gonna do some chin-ups on it.
Now that the camper's on its side, I'm gonna start cutting all the pieces of flat bar, and these are what we're gonna attach our panels to. So I'm really happy with the progress we're making, and I hope you're enjoying following along. Once these flat bars are in, next step, panels. We're gonna see what it looks like closed in, and well, Kelty's gonna see how small it is inside and realize that she's gonna need 1 suitcase instead of 3.
That's nice.
Might have to walk it to
You weren't doing that before, were you?
just caught on your hook. Camper back from VFab Garage. This thing is solid, so thanks a lot for all the great welding. Anyway, we got a door frame in here, so I can give you the first walkthrough. Welcome to the inside of our camper. It's pretty bare, be cold sleeping in it right now, and if it's in the summer, watch out for mosquitoes. But anyway, you stay tuned, and we'll get an interior in this eventually. For now, I'm gonna go ahead with the grinder. I'm just going to grind down any of the welds where the flat bar has to go, and then anywhere there's square tubing, be just like this piece here, this flat bar needs to go on the front of it, and that's where the panels are going to lock into. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, get the flat bar put on, and well, when you come back in the next video, the work will be done. Lucky for you. And we're going to glue together the aluminum and the styrofoam, and we'll start cutting it out and putting panels in the camper. So I got my rivets, I'm all stocked up, ready to go. So next video, hopefully we start to close this thing in. So anyway, I hope you're having fun. I'm having a great time building it. And if you are enjoying it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop when the next one comes in. And give us a like, tell us a comment what you're enjoying the most. And well, if you get an idea, give us that too. Anyway, see you next time.